Welcome back to all my fam guys. Today I'm here to tell you what a sheet mask does to our skin. Also, I'm going to be telling you what sheet mask to use for your different skin concerns. The sheet masks here are of kbeauty and from the Face Shop brand. Do watch the full video without skipping to know about the sheet mask and its uses. Firstly, here we have Real Nature Rice Face Mask. This one here is suitable for all skin types and for people who wants to brighten the dullness of your skin, and it also removes fine lines. Also gives you the instant glow. It's paraben free as well. I once used leftover rice water onto my skin and it did give me instant glow. I'm sure a sheet mask with rice extract has way more benefits. Next one we have is potato face mask. It's best suited for dry to sensitive skin. This one here helps in soothing and calming skin irritation. Coming to the honey meal face mask. This sheet mask provides radiant and moisturized younger looking skin instantly. Made with honey extract, our skin would love it. Coming to the tea tree face mask. This sheet mask is best suited for oily to sensitive skin, also for acne prone skin. Mask sheet is loaded with rich essence, serum and tea tree, which makes our skin supple, clean and hydrated. Next one is red ginseng sheet mask. Ginseng is a plant tuber that has various medicinal properties. This sheet mask helps in firming of the skin and smoothing as well, but the smell is kind of weird though. So the next one here is Lingzi face mask, it seems. It's a Chinese word which means divine mushroom. I didn't know, I googled. Well, this Lingzi has anti-aging properties and helps in firming of the skin. Too many sheet masks with too many different flavors. So here we have blueberry sheet mask. This one also helps in firming and also moisturizing the skin as well. I guess the last three sheet masks will be very useful for the ones who have saggy skin. So now here we have bamboo real nature sheet mask. This sheet mask is formulated with real bamboo extract that helps in moisturizing and also penetrates into the deep layers of the skin and gives you the instant glow. So the next one here is Calendula face mask. This one helps in soothing and no more dry or flaky skin. Calendula extract helps in intensely moisturizing the skin, also nourishes it. So the last one we have is shea butter. Enriched with shea butter extracts known for its nourishing properties. So that's it. So now let's get into how and when to use these sheet masks. Always cleanse and tone your skin before applying any sheet mask. Toning preps your skin for doing next step in your skincare. Sheet masks are like saviors when you have a party to go but you have a really dull skin. Wearing 10 minutes on this sheet mask will give you instant glow and you are all set to go. But remember guys, sheet masks give you the glow or the benefits from sheet masks are only temporary and for only a few days, but regular use of these sheet masks will help the serum seep into the skin and you'll definitely see the changes in your skin. And using the sheet mask will not go in vain, and I would definitely recommend using the sheet mask. So this is it for today's video guys. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.